No, don't defend him.
I'm not defending him.
Me share video no.
Okay.
Won see ni nyina e fake.
E ya ntro e azan. Wo tumi aka won na. Nyankopon won na.
Enye ye na ya wa attack. Ejuma no wa attack.
Okay, wa attack ejuma.
Iso na wo honde na ye yo. But on the pass ne oka no. Wa mini ne oka no. On beka say akonfoneche o ye ntro. Akonfoneche wan bo asanteman. Wan command this golden stool. Wan fa sikan anto oji. On beka say ntro keke ni na ni pe.
Se tu mi bu ho mo fa picture kom malam ana se konfu.
Who there bia o person yo we.
Enyi ho mo nya ma menhwe. Ifirika nya ne. To ta me nye. No se kana wo picture ne mawu. Ina ya fiction nya no kore. O mo da nkofo bu wo mu di keke.
Challenge wa wo mu say. Imam uni hwe. Unim form. Untimi nya ne hwe. Then I'll be tina.
Oh, ontimi nkasa. Ebi a wetimi aka ontimi bomb me di say. Imam Zaka nia wo kanu. Entro na say Miss Champo. Ontimi nya mi shumi do nya mi.
Ha Poleeno Multimedia. Enche na mene Champo dot ye actor e kasaye. So ni u follow na ma mo follow Champo no. Ewo baby na Royal TV na TikTok. Utim say onim twere nim ana say onim Quran no or ka asem no akoti. We wura spirit world nim. Na mene na twetwe nkomo na ensem bi ode tu dwa no. Say o say ye ka honhoma na the spirit world na exist. So obi say benfu bi etu obi say obeyi obi aduro say obi na eye wo ne sa anwomanyoma no eni ho enti Poleeno na wo say me de efa form na me kope obi onim form na me no etena se na edi nkomo ha eno nti na me ne Imam Zaka ete ha ye bi di nkomo Poleeno Multimedia no me bebusa no na ono so a kire na adwe na ode awura honhom na wa educate ye enyoma kakra bi a ye nyina no ye benya nimde wo ho adesua we mentanye ade amenye but then aba critical was me na me fan say den ehu Imam patch we be aboko de
Yes I don't want say
yeah the nyame ase em say interview ya me release we hu Champo interview
so funny guy no
funny
yeah very funny
okay and some more can you funny and answer funny say or a movie
well yeah for mpaboy shase
all right
because bibi a nyame nsem
okay
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين صراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد فاتح لما أغلق على آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم آمين
where in Arabic
Quran verse first verse from the Quran
okay and see so we Champo na quote na no kre
oh yeah
kind no
verse wa quote chapter bi of Quran mo it's from the Quran Allah la ilaha illa
like styles you read Arabic no sanity
oh yeah it's normal
wow na be say ahefo ana say nkofo so hu say
oh why
okay before you
your concept I grow in
okay
I grow in impact oh yeah I grow in na me ta share any movies
okay
me who say or to me entertaining nipa na ye stream or the movies mo pa say na leliwin mo omo ye na me ka say ebia is only movie that he was doing with that
but also preaching
but along the line my be who say it's a real joker it's a real joker.
All right, you be ransom ni ma for one here say interview no or Poleeno Multimedia here I'll be timi ahwe Champo wakasa na Imam ewa ha ye be di enkomo Imam before you be start no
yeah
Mr. what you kwan we hin ye hwe we be hu we
e
say ngofo hu ni paban a we answer me
okay you from Imam Zaka me Fulani ni
okay Imam Zaka
yeah
Fulani
me Fulani
okay
me Fulani mrante hini so e wa kra ha
mrante hini won kran
yeah Fulani for mrante hini
okay
yeah and so me malama me ejuma
okay
me spiritual work
okay now what you hear what
me wo Accra area be from
Tuba okay
yes uko Kokrobite area
okay
if you're going to Kaswa Odu to Obuto on mo that's the junction to my area
okay
yeah that's where
yeah
that's my location.
And see, obi hwe number ben obetimi afọ.
Well, my number is 0559
okay
27 8096.
Okay.
0559 27 8096. Offer me Imam Zaka on Sabeka.
All right, offer now on Sabeka no na when your location because person dey ne number to dwa se ne be nkomo ne ye de na se me we fia wetimi enya number no entem na me catch you say wherever you find yourself bia na e would say o patare papa asha what be call wedding parties and I say any show bia na from 0242926493 obe pamatare no asha kama no matter your size no matter your location so wa brochure country bia wo bia no ombe pam na omode deliver ama kama sounds na the ribbon so say open wig and I say ohia wedding decoration and I say any party decoration na from ombe ama kama from 0546925622 Imam pacha me ba so
oh me tie
Shampoo say okay you can Imam kra na say malama oye hwan
oh well Imam no a word
okay
a word bia it can contain many things
okay
the bigger meaning of it is leader
okay
but say ba mo Arab mo Imam no ebetime ma religious side
okay
near odi amanfo enimu nyamisomu nyamisomu on leading prayers and on preaching so yeah it's a title that they give a leader in Islamic religion
okay
and malam too is the same thing
okay
and you know I'd say teacher near watch adie on the malam but nentia sunsufo ma adopting malam di e dey account mo say I'd say wonnim near how and our ban ho now I throw near how
okay
so it's part of teaching. So from there no, they adopted that name Malam
okay because
yes
okay
yeah
shampoo akasa me show so ntina me use no reference no o se sa nyoma ni nyina no se obi be ba no aba o se bia me mabrabo nkoyi mi hieska ba me ye adwuma nkoyi na waba malam ho ana se osofu bi ho wanye no malam for like so what could be general say boa me na madwuma nkoso ana se sunsun bi akutia no ene ni ndi asi mama so sa nyoma ni nyina no fiction ya creating na mu di bu nkofo eje mu sika
okay yere nyame ase ni me pese sa funny guy no onji manum ni se yenya papa bi wo Asanteman ye friend no akonfo anoche
okay
so
yeah
what ye nim no ba ye nyina
okoji ya ne status
yes obetimi abeka trem say akonfo anoche o ye fake ana so obetimi abeka say there is no person in this world or in Ghana here called akonfo anoche ana ya nya obi a ye friend akonfo anoche but ejuma na ye say akonfo anoche wa bedi no it's not true one fa akonya amba
okay
one physical so and to form so to me beka say this thing has not existed then ye o kanu me man award say no kure
se otimi ka say
enye no kure enu kwa na mipe on beka say enye no kure ye ni akonfo anochi wa Ghana akonfo anochi wa mbeye
wa me command golden
stone am Asanteman wa mbe fasikan and to form am fama Asanteman
okay
on beka sa keke na me hu say ne o kanu no kure can you do that
I think say o say me say nya no na me no I think say we a question I want to amano anti Shampoo wherever you are be am say then over me say na Imam Ebisa say ugidi ana say obetimi aka say okonfa no che an command golden store ama asantefo e na wan fa sekan NCG ho na so okasa sa anyoma no enye no kora eno ano beje wadi
asa
eno ano
so obetimi aka enu kwa there then I have no issue with him
okay
but I want to make I know there then you have to come back to you and apologize say a draw ni ho obintimi nye no draw obintimi nkono why would you have come and say
but I say over time because of start attack is anyoma no I say before no your brainwash ye say sa anyoma no existing ni but ya mamu no mpanyifo no enem mo homode nti na oman mu ayedin nti wunya adwuma nti wunya sika enye se be ye bi na eye wonti na usika se mekofo
Mr. Poleeno say obisi ye bo wasuma enye ya he has not been slapped before that be shuna so no
obehu ye
yes ebi a oni na mo hono no be oni obi a hu say we jovia
okay
so obi ne no hu time say obeye no bibi even with the issue that he brought with you they all know we obi a ebia opedin agi opese onidin ni enko oman no mu onye didi enti obi nya no ho ntem enye za so opia onko obi a oye sunsun ni fie example to say shrine obi ni shrine
okay
to say friends antoa honum no okay onko honum ni e o hwe sa issue no onko jiji na tem onko ka tell say papa ni wo ejuma wo ye wa hanu ejuma jan ekosi ejuma e ntro okay le hwe say bibi be sinusu and something is not going to happen
also no oko kasa no so be ka jiro say baby okọ no oni ni nya twaka bi anase oma abonten no attack
say papa no nejuma no that is his
but ono attack the people are oma ba public to say bia software say bra oba mema o
Mr. Poleeno, don't defend him.
I'm not defending him.
Me share video no.
Okay.
Me share video no. Won say ni nyina fake.
O say ni nyina fake.
Yeah.
It's na me say.
It means those are hidden and those who came out all are fake.
Yeah, but o question no the o ka say on konsu no so no. E na me say ono be ka say ho de oni ni twaka obako.
I say e drone na wo.
But mo na o attack mo no.
No, they enye ye na ya o attack. Ejuma no na o attack.
Okay, o attack ejuma.
Iso na wo hon de na ye yo.
It's the same ejuma.
So who say nyina is fake no? That means he's involved.
It say ebia o attack wa wo betimi ende.
Oh, I don't mean to be nyanu.
Because say what challenging wo for say be entimi nyanu.
And I mean say what dika or the image atudwa ama obi ahun wagana man say oye actor.
Okay.
To say you want to say Lilwin, say on so actor. Na Lilwin abedi ma tem say me say me malama. Me ko tu na duro. Say me so I'm not that serious.
Okay.
Because Multimedia ochina na the media call ye film. Multimedia call ye film aga say papa you cry mini ni dia cry hwade a wa ye me.
Okay.
What I say? But so on the pass near Okano.
O minia.
Yeah, wa mini near Okano. On beka say a confornache or entro.
Okay.
A confornache one boas anti-mine, one command this golden stool, one far sikai and 2 G. On beka say entro kekeni na mi pe.
Oh here. I think say no dey make push na menya results and I say answer open amount. Some Paul don't here baby I
we pan was true.
But you were bam person who say yemfa ne say ensem a wo ken wa hayi obehwe. Se Sean Paul hwe na o challenge wa mu say imam uni hwe unim form untimi nye ne hwe then na obetimi
oh untimi nkasa ebia obetimi aka untimi bomb me say Imam Zaka nia uka no entro na say Miss Sean Paul untimi nya me donya mi agabe ni sere
then na obetimi aye
oh agabe ni me ka nia be ni sere me ka tro ni ebe na say ebe tunu so police bra be chimi because I had threatened.
Okay.
And I nyasa so I can't threaten him. But so or then you say me ntimi nya no hwe. And obi o ne a ntimi nya no hwe. He's risking his life. My main trouble be. When we say sometimes ni party me da na wa feel say wanyani.
Okay.
Wanyani wo die so wo die anymore. But don't me sorry. Do you know that thing?
I mean timana.
Or da wada. Wanya die na fininim. But on to me sorry, on to me being and on to me being na no, on to me being in him. What say then? Is it normal?
It's not.
So or say area on from hospital. Na doctors no omunya in lab. I will educate you.
Okay.
I will educate you. Just me say
on
no on say near Okano.
Okay.
Out of the service. Out of the contest cra.
Okay.
Are there this kind of issues call or problem rampantly. Go to the hospital. Tell the doctor this is what I'm experiencing. And now I should say Dr. Becker say okay. You may lab 100,000 times. They will never see anything about that. You go and sleep, still it will happen. Okay. I so so mad here. So mad there. Evil spirit. It's either jinn and I also say before.
It's either jinn. Jinn
omu ya creation omu ya body bi anyama aboy say ye wo angels na ye wo jinn na ye wo nipa ansa na ye wo muwa Motia they are all part of jinn group but omu something like this and the jinns are
tall.
Very tall, you can't see them.
Okay.
And then yenipa and sana angels and sana more animals. Okay. This is a Christian that we are having.
Okay. You me sure saying go for people hey, I retrieve for her Ghana for her. Obu o be your experiences are the working. Details where na bit me e dey man na kwan be so na e be fa so to be twa.
Eno no say who sa no a ma signal say you are under spiritual attack. It's either witchcraft or this kind of evil genes. Because genes so ye omo papa wo ye woni omo sum nyame ansa na ye woni omo sum say ye nipa say na ye brabom etie no. That's how they also living. Said before no kanino we see them. We see ourselves. King Solomon nimre no. We were sharing the same world.
Okay.
We see each other. But I say na King Solomon wanya to me e wo nipa e na jini e na muasu oti mua kasa e oti jini ne omu kasa e na nipa ne kasa. Okay. So no Solomon no oye nipa.
Okay.
But God has given him that power to control these three creations. Okay. What I say? Enti our power so wo jini so command omu say omu nya bibi na so omu anya he will punish them. Okay. He has the special punish that he gives them. Okay. So almost they have no any ways and means to overcome King Solomon. Okay. Omu timi ntu one amoshe except in say they should accept his proposal to them
to work on it.
What I say? Enti omu sa ena King Solomon tama obe free we are say. Okay. Ena omu jin omu sre nyame. Okay. Say nipa they've been controlling us for so long. Yes, we want our freedom. Okay. What I say? We want our freedom. God help us. Okay. We want to go into the dark shadows, okay, where the humans won't see us. Because
but how did you get to know this story?
Oh, it's written in the Quran. It's there. Okay. Even in Bible, if you go to Bible, when they are going to tell you about Solomon's history, okay, they will not. They will tell you if it's written there alone there, because I know Bible is a book of religion. Okay. Definitely you bring that part of story. Okay. But it's written in the Quran. Is there?
Which me quote you am I?
Oh well, verse no. Just escape him. But a prolong.
Matthias. Number say be obi or her be obey say. Obi be doing now say I don't know Musa say.
Oh no, okay, with them make a show. I'll bring the verse. I'll bring the verse.
Inti a bass I don't know more akote. Inti omo no any abenfo na yes ade no say bia obeda.
So we dana say we na it's either Jean and I say abenfo no. And omo ye osa. Second example. Nipa timida na waso da say odi obi da. Waso ra na no nyina for any sperms. Is it normal? Enya normal. How can you sit there and say that?
But minimum be over gas or no or need the onya bi no afili pa.
Oh, obi afili, ni obe receive sanu, obe fili. But it's not normal. Okay. You have the spiritual side effects of it. Ni all experiencing this kind of thing beyond so obisanwa. Failures are onya won abrabo mo no. More. Oba so be man or experiencing this kind of issue. Would have been Obeka to say, well, Seska or Obasu bebre. I do tama obey no hard na obedi no for son. Na problems aba. Say Obasua, Obeka say member 1,000 are proposing. Obia and dinu crewon. Ni obeba biano or dinu kuma bemba. So ni bakunu per se on fananda, excuse my language. Obema no, no deny. But say Drutama no obe pen for so every member no. Ebi aware no na confusion be aba. Yes. Confusion abeba so no a very strong confusion abema no be gina na so obeka say me pe obiom. Okay. Ana oba no be gina na so aka say bema no me pe obiom. Wow.
Nti eba sa more solution to it.
Oh, of course there is solution to it. Okay. Ti say me say uba me we nedro a minimum 9 days. 9 days. Unum 9 days na. Before na 3rd day, 5th day, 7th day and 9th day no. This 4 days na mabuama wonu. Definitely e dem krapo spirit ebeba. Say eba so he cannot have sex with you anymore. Because the Bible to say Edrobi, yes, he is well protected. And ebeye ntokwa woni spirit in him. Obeka to say asma si, "Oh, permit me free omo. You are sucking me away from you. Why?" na ye ntokwa ewo one ne tem so okona so okofre ni dom say ombe kuma no a then the spirit the adrona me di ma no ebeye weapon e dey ama no udi akun
one na ode be ko na be spiritual weapon
we ebetima ba say sikan kese bebe wo nsema aye spiritual sikan na udi akun ana say obi beba begina wo nchen na akun ama wo what I say so from then no so sorry anyame dim we say the difficulties that you've been facing through before no
best start
yes change echo and 21 days time no na your protection e dey amount say na be ya omukọ a omunsamba bio
na ye afibo
yes what I say one way we see mama chiro bibi nyame boy no obo bia any ni star your stars
okay
you woni
instrument
so my way by normal stars I want nipamu
okay
it's 4 different type of stars we having
okay
you want nsuo notie inframa any eja
nsuo netie
inframa any eja so four stars in nyina so obia woni meet obia woni match
okay
asa oni ni share amfa so beba omo team
asin oba ne bema
ana akwantu ana ejuma
okay
ana friendship it has you have your match among these 4 stars so uko share ni a woni ni mfa so embo eni mutemu a it won't keep long
okay
to say aware obema eni oba ahia we ni shebre ni eye notie na we ni shebre ni eye inframa okay say mama mbisa Mr. Poleeno inframa eni notie so mu hia mfa so be na beba
inframa no be ho netie
say e dust na beba mfa so bia embe yes say dust ni so reso obia be pese o kata ni because mfa so bia endim
okay
so say u be ma u ye notie na say uyiri oye inframa there's no way in this world that your marriage will last
and you're successful.
No, and lasting.
So how will you know say be a me and a fire?
And the subject to know.
Okay.
And subject so oba me uba o tre me wudi ene wa medina I will calculate it. Mass make calculate Arabic mass.
Spirit world no so calculation.
Oh yeah, there is nothing that we don't do in the spirit world. Say na physical no if you go there it's the same thing.
Okay.
You make calculate na ma number na e be pie no. Ene na e be kire me opposition.
Okay.
Na maka if you share ade aye 11 mu pa ni say obi a oye e bia ni shebre ye nsuo. Sa oba me wona se me hu. Me ka tren say o shebre ye nsuo. Me be tire no na nti a ni e be ma obeje medi say oye nsuo shebre. Their life is there.
Their life has in
say na omo abrabo eti we wi ase
okay
wo ho
enti ensuofo no nyina abrabo ye pe
yes
na ejafo nyina abrabo
yes
tuba dan suban bi adi ama na hu se
ni na obia mewie no obia ka say ne waka no nyina no enokre
okay
so I was not there how can I know it
okay
what I say enu enkonda nche ye woni e obetimi akohwe nipa kunu ni destiny
okay
what is happening in his life ebi anya stand na wahwe
okay
his normal life ni aba abetwem eni ni owo mu ena ni ewo ni ma eba you can see and then tell him what is it and when nyina sa oba mi
na nipa na ama wa so ebi a obi hwe wa brochi o ama wa so ya no de onti
oh yeah easy
okay
easy so bebre me wa client wa brochi
okay
they call me and then we do it on the phone
okay
metre meyi ni nyina me wi an ma jai odo that to amam
okay
nipa kunu so deny say what you said it's not true
okay
what I say eti ebe hwemu na na ehu ne ebia obi ni yiri omutimi wo hono omu shebre no macho but they are having issues in their marriage uko hwemu ebia spiritual problem be na abe affect it's either from the man or from the woman or from any jealousy
okay
any
jealousy
any jealousy wo ebia na obi wo no mo pe oba no anya
okay
na ne kuma anda say we wa kofa oba no nti obepe kwan bia obefa na wa say aware no ana oba bi e wo ho no mo a na ni jibema no wanya ana bema no hye ne bo say obeware no akodu mra aware no beba no na odi akoma obi fufuro ono so na wantena say na watu ana mo say yen say aware and yen to aware yes. So they'll be having difficulties in the marriage. But I know any difficulties say near almost shebre and matching.
And see, and so any jana de ne fa de he na.
Metro why ya de. Wa eja any insio. Ukabo mu a. Ebe matching. Say enforce na ebe.
Okay. And see we am say eja bufu ne nso ye obi obre ne ho asa na say obufufufu a we nkasa.
Yes.
Nti asundwe be ba
de. What does here? Say eja no bona say insio no be kasa obedi.
Obedi.
Say we ye shebre eja na okuma sorry say ye pacho ja Mr. Poleeno ja wo say unja na wo yire ne shebre ye insio and oh Mr. Poleeno why are you doing this and now wadamfo and oh Mr. Poleeno why do you please stop it ohono mu a
obejai obetie na support
yes because oni no mamu achi what is it yes nia ne shebre ye insio any obi a ne shebre ye notie mfaso wo
okay
because say ye dey ade go from it say farmer ye no e farmer ye no
say you two for money dey do about so
yeah insio na ye bepe na afefi na mfaso abam what is it aha enti say obi so a wo ye friends
na eja so ni just here
eja any frama
I mean say ebia eja for me no go share
ebe
fire
enya easy obi antimi ka say jai
okay
obi ka tell me say me jana that time no na
makoma so me no e share
ne nyina so sometimes you destroy because ubetimi am udi yes your normal system we am measure ahwe say so we free hand mo eba na we so free hand mo eba on be crash a ebe den ebe koso bebre aha so it's say enya opposite
okay
what is it
Matthias
aha it's say enya opposite na from one na mfaso no aba but so omo nyina two arrogant people a committee a ombe ko enim omo ko enim
as a captain for me no
man how can they ride the ship we beka say need any na ye papa we beka say need any papa at the end of the night omo akosinki ship no wow aha
and say obia bia na worry mo o face sa issues and other problems no e bit me at the course and as say bia ne spirit you know ne star and match ne star the ninkunu star say bi omunya issues and as omo tanya issues and bia omo stars and match omo stars and as obi na yom sa na e course
well say na make say oba definitely have it say me share stars na sir
okay and now we can check it first
yes and na me check it first
checking na e bia and match and
source yes now I can say mo shebre no and match
but a match there na won say be a
different issue
okay
and different issue say match here that means you are having spiritual problem and now say be a normal life obia living problem aha what is it but some shebre na match here Mr. Poleeno there is no way say awaren everlasting
okay
say bebre no more from abrochire say Imam Zaka many kunu yatina for over 15 years I feel na ya worry no eba begu I don't think ever nsa
okay
ugo hwe so a they are not much in the yes omo shebre na match
okay
and say o ka training na brabo mu nsem wo star no a obepini because definitely o ka nipa asema on him no you have to bring something that will convince him near them
ojiudi
yes ojiudi near mema why one say near o kan no kure what is it to say mami bia o friend me wo friends Norway Scandinavia area on Norway na o see o pese me country na asem near to say in life near what is happening in her life the past and the present and me say no problem there nya asem bia na nya mbe ya atrem
and now
I'll tell you and so near be ban so bia no enya intro it will be the fact
okay and you know what the Quran na ejuma
o mi Quran na mi ejuma yeah I'm minya okonfo manka say okonfo no omonyo
but me ba o wonye ko ba o the Quran
mi Quran na mi ejuma because you wanna kwantwe wo Islamic land
ma me mra the way so o yusu haban
of course me use haban pa because haban emfaso wo haban mu bebre ena no bebre ni edro na ye no bebre e wo haban mu but I say you have not practiced it or you have not been into it no okay. So untimi hu ahaban a ye dro What I say? Example to say, you bind be a friend is a no. Sana mo friend with you. In Senum 5 fingers.
Okay.
Senum. In Senum 5 fingers. Sa ha bind ejuma odi a dozen. Ye won akwara fufura. Ye was send a year chichiro na ye de adwara akwara no. Akwara no hu be ye didi within 6 months no. Hu no abeka say we enye say by 8 months now I shall say 190. Wow. Na ne hu ni nyina ye didi odware ni won three mu a ebema ne three so I very thick or very stubborn. Okay. Ye didn't kasa onti. Enti ye be dware na ye dware ne three. Ne ko ha downwards on ebe ye be dware amano sa ahaban nu bako a yetimi is a poison
see up to be poison
say ya more poison physical one and spiritual in up say ya more be poison na say ebia onim say na ye use ahaban nu a ni ase ni root no onuanu mu a ye kire na kwan na obe fin poison nyina wow obe fin nyina ahaban no ahaban and you was send a year so abefore they will not tempt you. Nina won. Abai say any na make no. Well, last time we papa be or friend interview here say. Okay. And or beside me say na say and ye to obi edru. Okay. How can someone be affected by spiritual sickness? Okay. So say e wo hono mo. Ebi mu wo hono mo e omodi those kind of bad genes. Okay. And omudi ejuma. Okay. Ana dwarfs edi ejuma. Enti omuno abetimi aka chom so obi ahaban we poison. Odi share edwane manua odi a ebeye yare.
And omuno na 6 am na body da so da ho. Like I say man before I complicated. Enti you can't spiritual world na. Then I'll be to me actually.
Well, say spirit o enemy ma di kan ka twa no. Adia ehye sum a wenim entime hu yes spirit okay ena ubetimi to say jinna me come wasami omo bad ones no if you have the way to contact them omo na ombeye sa ejuma no ne nyina e dey amawo ena so say wo ankasa no we spiritualist what me practice rituals be na some evil spirit be abe wrewu na why you soon e dia ye ni awo pe what I say and emu na ye di nya sa abefo no bi okay sa abefo no ni beginning na jealousy okay jealousy because Satan mra nyame obo Adam and Eve but obo Adam no say o ka say obia onbe ma Adam respect they should come and bow down to Adam obia ba ye na Satan see dey be onye
and your honest story.
Or see one year. And you may say, why are you not going to do what I command you to do? I created you. Say, only hear the eja and a born. Okay. That is the story from the Quran. Yeah. Sana eja and a born. And I know can say, Adam no would not hear any issue and I born. Misu udi eja and I born. So we are not the same creation. How can I come and bow down to him? Wow. Enti ono muna ena asem sorry na buy e buy enti wanye ena nyame numi no okay God cares him then he came out from the genes okay enti ono na nyame o blow in the spirit okay e share Adam and Eve emu
Poleeno Multimedia adi we asem ka I know say we basically about entertainment but me ko interview Shampoo na this spiritual aspect about e be me je say nka menya Imam ha na menya Shampoo ha na nko mu mi shomu finfin na we to because ote Arabic ono so ti Arabic
o mebu no aga mebu
ka wo no ana na wo
obeka ma kuma asore ma pono
arentia
because obeka na enwo mu
say challenge just okan also prove it
me dem aka so we ka say akonfa na che intro that history has never
because the entity me can debate we ni say on say okan creation on say creation no the any more Bible mu say Adam ne Eve ni di kan bo mo ente sa na nipa bi credit card tena as so over 1 million or say 5 million years ago nti Adam mo de ye wo mo ye nyimo mo wo mo nye say ye de
one nyimo mo
ende
enya nyame no bo mo
say na nyame bo bia but ye kan nipa first creation na enye Adam and Eve ye wo nkofo o modi kan betina wiase over so many
so see angels and jinns they were there before Adam and Eve and there's a but say
nipa
no David nipa na omo abe wiase before no omo na your friend Adam
o say nipa bia ye
Adam sa obi ya Adam
but o say the ehu ne say ye ka Adam say ni Adam ne di kan ba wiase a say the training ka say obo Adam na enye Adam say Adam na oni Eve ebe wo Cain and Abel na nye omo asem e na ye omo di nyame di kan bo ya wu bi mo be ye bo bi mo 5 million or 1 million
no all more 5 million
so scientists and we read
sure be all na adwene ko who gas a scientist
and
abrofo na kan say omo nje edroidi no how can a possible life a human being obeka say me choice ni say me ware aboa and obi so agina say wa ma right say ko ware kraman is it normal
enye normal
say enye sunsun boni na eta obi nipa mu a obeka say wo aboa na obesa ware
okay I am the part of the question in fact me oba nyina me tons afro nyina na me se mebisa and now they are I am very happy questioning of obebre bisa say na trending you say celebrities and ma more Ghana na bi asem ko Dubai na omo ne nknaman akodeda sebi oba na watena ho no wabiem na knaman na wadane amos ka twetwere de say je ne kodi nkofo obebre bisa say okay man de omo de koye pesika e ma so ohia asent na emrofo no edinti na be mo ma yesa aye honhom bi another spirit bi
e omo de oh the best spirit
nti ba sa den no wo honhom mu no enyuma bi sa den na betimi affect
well ni nyina say ye hu ni source
okay
what is the cause of it one say uye obi boni na nipa ko ni say nyame betua uka me di nyame din agyawo it's not small thing no any small weapon emu odun sin Russia nuclear weapon or
Ukraine no
na so be drop e America no me do nyame me di nyame din agyawo nyame betua uka ube bre ana obehu it's not a small word to you
okay
so onima ube kwa hwe ni bakono
no panacho na sunju aba
yes because nyambe twa ukano you don't know how it's going to happen
okay
say yamfan say obi anya ne sika wa yesika nipa wa sisifie wa toda wa enyema bebre na wa be free wiase na ne kwara omo aka wiase no omo abeseja pade no ni nyina mfa so abem
baby obrego
yes it's case se no meter obi a maybe at that moment no ono obetimi adefend ni mu kakra but ni kwara yes and in the grandchildren the grandchildren no, there is a problem how can a woman ube cause a crime edu abeda na wajiska se nye case na edi wechia
nti omo yes adi na ye case
oh yeah case
enye se skani bre
case second ni say di wechi a en na be ma direction na wakoye ni ade a ye mfomso
okay
wo adwemu no it will give you what are doing is okay but whenever that thing goes out in you that spirit goes off in you
no so
one person say yeah ade am yeah example obi abo edwaman ashawo sa 30 years to come now and wa be sakra wa say we a leader in a religion na sa records ni nyina e wo hono na da kuru abehia obema wa fa 20 times
the client
and the client wa fa 20 times nani beji
nani nti e we ba ho pa
what I say
ati pa
so be brain wo hono no eye numi e na e wo e bia omo busu mu anani moja no
na Arab for na say bia omo yesa no so they no mu gain from
say ni nyina ye case
omo so
susumboni
okay
susumboni na eta omo chi
they are just destroying
yes they are just destroying say or if he passes this way to catches you and he couldn't then he try to other road to cover you there
okay
what I say so whatever you are doing in this world you need protection you need guidance you need spiritual guidance in your life
okay to say imam
at least everybody, you need spiritual guardians in your life to protect you, to give you directions. And yes, you just go and fall into a hole. Ubet man is sky be beer, but we you know at the end of it, you know, you'll be crying. If I saw an album,
be a maso. And see, as some ben as a football ben now the bema, obia staffing of
sisters now, yes, see, Omuko Dubai.
Obia quay or say a nobody no there,
son of Beckham. But a good time, spirit and be free no. Obe say, why you from so? Why
a general football ben at the moment?
Well, near met me, I can say, Obian meant enough alcohol. Santifon, I'll come once and say, what enough alcohol? Now to add, what you add there so. In this world, we are not working normally. Obian himself. And in that, and even a media account, a brofo, who, what do you say? Argentina brofo, they are not into spirituality. Into who told you that? One I can say, money spirituality. Go to Britain. They have a witches school. Almost go almost witches. My metro site we now searching now share Greenwich. Okay. Say we are the type of Greenwich. Greenwich now come now share ade e wo hono.
Wow hey be also betimi atai.
Greenwich. Well Google man on YouTube the type of Greenwich. Obi on e beba say tumtum ni na e wo hono ma o kira de say bro ni a you see. Okay. They have their lectures that teaches witchcraft. Okay. So why are you confusing yourself? Say, there's no any African Kwana. African Kwana yedi hunkumasem. There is hunkum a draw honum.
So you need protection.
Me, what I'll tell you is, Obia Ebeka say, or ye sumsumni or ye drone. Don't venture that person. Don't tell that person that I'm having challenges. If you want, try me. Don't do that. You will destroy your life. Okay. To say no concert party man or kaya semi. Onu wa be gina won yesi say ebia ni na nanu o ma rituals e de amanu ni mama ni papa ya bo busuanu by the say 7 generation the bia intimi affect mu and that spiritual they do it
okay nti itimi bon ho ban ya
till some limit etimi ebia eni bi e won ni mo na all feel say ba onu so say bebia ya fa e de apam atare no ho na e be fa yes. Why are you bluffing in the social media that there is no any draw? Someone can take this advantage and then hit you. Dr. Bian saw yare. Now I feel. Open withdraw me one draw 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Also betua.
Betua na wunji withdraw. Unfanko.
How the bako? A draw penny idea we are say ayente so.
I go way ba. I'm for media in America. Don't give yourself for animal. Okay. You should know, say, you are very quality. No matter how situation you are in, would you pay Nyamisumbi Fataweni? Okay. Who pay spiritualist be a ordinary from Hutarino. No pay guidance, won't pay Bible. Yes. Send a evil spirit na a woman. Say, from one near we any one cast on the soon. Midonyami. Sister people I'm one. Okay, was a mala. Remember to say 500 and a dinada. Wow. Can you imagine? 500. Remember to say 500 any matter. We obey then our worry. Opposite on Jai. Still on to me.
Sebasa mutimisiano.
Oh yeah, well. Say whom much man quadia. We can swap it. Say Sana Yami. A born so and no switch me happen. Oh well, say obi one where normal life and sana nyami e dey born sunsun bia entanechi. Sana nyami I no know obi atonufu. Obi man some guidance no. Enti aden ebetimi example to say obi nyami abo obi say obi wu but akwanhia e na obi wu accident e na obi awu. One you know dreams with the next time say share we will talk about dreams. Okay. Dreams no strong messages. Okay. And it's a ultimate who or I say they are always about to have an accident. Now I say car be bow. Now nyami are you away from Nina my revelation say accident in nam. Yes, and it's we are very smarter. then you look
pray or
yes,
look for someone to guide
yes, some wise Saraka be and I have more spiritual guidance be send a way then a bit twin kakra. Say to me, yes, sir, and then it can balance, but young people are then influence because Nyaminia what can aka no empipa, but it bet me a safety kakra. And in say accident in beba, but umbu at that moment. And as you are not going to be stressed at that moment. But a woman every 6 months now ribs and now uchikong and now baby say yo ya now was a hospital now doctor na assumption na am do na aba form a woman 3-4 months 1 year 2 years now sorry a woman one day we go hospital no you're not coming back again now obi say
you are shift to
yes ade no see fit time onya accident no
ne ho anto no
okay wow you are shifting no. But sir, one yes, sir, I don't know, yes, you'll be going.
All right. Me da wasi bebre say obaya, me no be twetwe nkomo kama. I think say ye nyina so yesua ade wo mo so awo Bible no betimi read na wate enyoma bebre ase. I think say ye be try na ye nya education we anytime ma bebre but e be once a while be need abefa me Poleeno Multimedia. But before I be kono drop your number ni be maybe
well, my number is 0559 27 80 96 0559 27 80 96.
Okay. Spiritual issues be cause be obetimi afọ.
Oh, inshallah when you dimu.
Okay.
Say dinsimia. I won't hide you.
Okay.
Excuse me, me person me send me the Poleeno Media. Okay. I will never do that. And in near a broom is something that I cannot do. My catchers, oh, this one there, I'm very sorry, I can't help. Okay. What I say?
Now you schedule.
Then I schedule.
Say you will be a cophobia about why they say when a woman in Yeska.
Say on funny pambra nine. Oh, Yami Piongo. And Uncle say, no. Well, no, it's a criminal spiritualism.
Oh.
Criminal spiritualism, they can do something like that. Okay. But in our lane, me, I'm a good Muslim. Okay. So I will never do something that is against my religion. Okay. I just say because the religion has rules and regulations. So who in Yamabia we need to say near pagan artist, you are the same. They say one ginger mean ND. Say this kind of thing. How can I kill someone to
make you?
No.
All right.
More be a crime frame with that kind of issue. So frame I'll block their line. Okay. So
I'll report him.
So I'll frame double with that kind of issue. Temptation, no. I'll report him to police. I don't do that, please. I don't do that.
Okay.
But near meet me, I say, Ebia, say utom nyama yantom. Yes, there is a crema, who's a criminal, say, would you cook crema? A bit fair amount for attention about so. And I'll move bridge on one, it will give the direction
of
where you are. Now, Ubewana, Nipa Bejina also, now I told him, any day view on me, but that's not
only a so Jumana.
Oh, no, for that one, there, God forbid.
All right,
thank you very much.
I hire Poleeno Multimedia. I mean, Malam Zak and I say Imam Zak and I and hire today and come on. I mean, we'll break it down, baby. What there a shampoo so shampoo, baby, I will be and I think say Imam question will be beside me now. Where you are no, am I come about comfort and not your story, no. I said, just before we go, no. Yeah. Yehu malam bi anase obi obehye nkomo social media so concerning Ghana matching o share nkomo say Ghana e qualify for World Cup ra o de ne sekan bi be maye na o de theater o ne yetwa no amaye bi pounds unhu form
ma hu oni pastor bi wo Kumasi say na oja nyame
ono so kan
wa unsa asam na omo kan no well to me oja nyame wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful. If you say, or see Ghana, you better Ghana. Go menu and I call Ghana Poleeno. What I say? Sa go no abina yeni Uruguay na Paraguay meaning.
Yeah. Uruguay, I think Uruguay. Yeah. Samoja.
Okobo penalty ke Lucian. Say the same go.
Okay.
A referee decision and a FIFA decision. and I'm one just go no because omo just go no anka ya winning match no.
Okay. Into favor being a tall guy.
Yes. Ne omo ko bo Nigeria no. Favor. If they are players no wonder omo call. Yes, omo bomb pipe they have their own spiritual fathers that help them. Enya sanka 2 goals na eko no. Enya referee decision anka we've lost.
Okay.
So nyame aja na your friends saying oja nyame any someone omo ande for. Okay. They have not lost.
World Cup and Casano, or where I be
next program, we do be come once.
Okay.
Me a very special topic.
Okay.
Also.
Okay.
Next program, inshallah. Go say in I'll tell you.
Any baby be kwa kudu.
Inshallah.
You bet me aje.
Inshallah. Ghana is going to set an history.
Ghana best set.
Yeah, we are going in history.
World Cup way.
Never be bremu. In the World Cup and the 2024 elections, Ghana is going to travel in the history land.
Okay.
And inshallah, say such a bioma. Yeah, we will talk about it.
All right. And see, wow, Malam number now. I think some of the better video. No, so now yes simple. Now wow, we read nature coin bian. Obeti me a friend now. No, I train and come on. Send your kind of man. No, me interested. Say Ghana, and I say history now Ghana best set. No, you bring more details about it. The name still remains Armstrong Poleeno. And your website is poleeno.net. Okoha or www.poleeno.net. Stories and other articles beyond Obenya or your story writer Stanley a training in a go kama. Sounds on Instagram Poleeno_com or hobbit me follow Facebook Poleeno Entertainment News. TikTok so your Poleeno Entertainment. TikTok then Poleeno_com. Facebook and Poleeno Entertainment News. Any of this. Yeah, crowd. Okay.